I'm feeling very grateful actually that people have accepted and people are liking the show, and it's very. I'm actually full of gratitude for the entire thing. So yeah, since you're asking that how it feels to be a part of the show, which is Ye Momo Ke Dhage, so yeah, it is a very good and a big learning experience for me because I have great bunch of co-actors who are much senior in the industry, and I have learned a lot from them since they are seniors and they're very patient and they're humble. So I'm learning a lot from them. Yeah. So acting happened and it just happened. I think it was God's call. That was my call. I had auditioned for D4, Get Up and Dance, which was on Channel V, and somehow they saw the character in me, and that's how they selected me. So basically my entry in acting started from D4. So after that, I think now my call on acting is that, you know, it according to the character you just flow. So I don't really give a lot of deep thinking into the character because as of now my character is not that. Also my character is very today, very bubbly, very me. So for my this thing I haven't given a great deep thinking, so I'm just flowing. Basically the character Aru herself attracted me because she's very chirpy, bubbly and very today. A youngster who wants to prove herself, who's very ambitious, career oriented, wants to achieve much in a very shorter span. She is very, as I said, she's a goal setter. She has a planner list, all planning list with her every time, that in 2 hours she'll be doing this, in 2 years she has to achieve this. So I find that very interesting. I really enjoyed because the day I shot the terrace jumping scene, you know, we were in Ahmedabad and we were actually in pole of Ahmedabad, and when I was told that, you know, I'll be jumping from one terrace to the, I was like, you know, okay, koi dupe hoga and mera she's something, but then actually I was carrying all that tiffin, the dupatta, and was jumping from one terrace. So it was a you know, an adventurous thing for me also, because I never thought I could do something like this, jumping, because dancing, yes, I can do, but that stance, that it is very different from, you know, something very athletic. So this I really enjoyed. And future also we've done a lot of stuff, especially Aru in her own zone has done a lot of stuff, so it's fun. Yeah, I see. One thing that is common is that we both are in 20s. Yeah. So, and she is a MBA. I have done my BBA, so that is common. Besides that, yeah, I am from Gujarat. She is in Gujarat, so quite a lot of things are in common. Actually, when I think all of that, I don't really think that initially I was that intimidating. You know, I wasn't so scared or nervous in front of him, because I think that that thing he gave, you know, that he made sure that his co-actors are not conscious in front of him. And besides that, my director, my team, they are very supportive, and obviously I also do my homework. I'm also smart. So yeah, I wasn't scared.
How's it working with each other as of now? I mean, as a co-actor, how's it?
It's fun. It's really fun because he's one thing I have to appreciate, that he's very diligent actor. Like though I'm a Gujarati in real, and I'm not Gujarati in real, but I am from Gujarat. But since मेरा इतना dialogue नहीं है in Gujarati, and he has a lot of stuff to speak in Gujarati, so he makes sure that, you know, before every scene he will find some words that we can speak in Gujarati. Then about his costume, so he will not only think about the scene but also things that are revolving around the scene, that is making the scene look very beautiful. So I have to appreciate, and I think I'm learning all of that. Yeah. With this, it is very spontaneous, but with Baby, it was a little bit method, because Baby as a character was completely different than Aru right now. Aru is more of a person who is very reflexive, who plays from her emotions, very blah like that. So yeah. Well, I hope that you get to see certain elements over here, because I too want to do a bit of dancing. But for me, dancing is meditation. I feel it's the purest form where you can show your emotions. So yeah. As an individual, I'm growing as well, but I am. From every project, I think I just want to grow and be a better human being day by day and a better performer day by day. So yeah. I just want to say that you have loved me. I'm getting a lot of good wishes for the show. So thank you, and keep blessing us. We need your blessings. Thank you. Hi, my name is Niyati Fatnani. You're watching Glitz Vision. Please follow the channel.